from Australia to Africa, from the Middle East to Europe. You know what the Land Cruiser 78 is capable of. It is one of the best vehicles for overlanding and adventure travels. I'm Stefano at Tailgate Gear, and we match that heritage with the setup that we know you're going to love. The goal here is to enjoy the outdoors, both inside and outside the Troopy. And to do that, you need quick, functional, and easy access to your camping gear and to your cooking equipment. And here you have it. Lots of storage space with a lawn drawer. As an alternative, with this space empty, a lot of room for your folding table. Easy reach at the fridge from right here, as well as from your left-hand side. And last but not least, storage for soft bags and folding chairs. On the other side, we utilized all the available space to make sure you have enough room for your cooking equipment, your food, and your snacks, for example. Now, storage is key in the Troopy, and we designed this rig so you have plenty of it. On both sides, we have two massive drawers with partitions where you can put your clothing, your gear, or anything else you wish to bring along for your travels. Underneath, there is additional space for soft bags, shoes, or for example, a backpack if you're going hiking. At the front of the vehicle, more space with hatches, as well as a front space for your porta potty if you really need one. Now look at this, my favorite part of the entire setup, the kitchen unit. There's a lot of space for your cooking and your prepping. For example, here on top, room for a 2-burner stove, as well as a built-in sink, which we complemented with a nice bamboo tray on top of it. We can personalize this for you as well. And your water source, in this case, a Dometic hydration system, but many options are actually available for it. More good stuff down below. A feature for our friends from down under, a 12-volt portable marine oven, but not Meat Pioneer. Pizza, sorry guys. Plus, a lot of storage for your cooking gear, cutlery, and so on. And more space here under the sink. Not only that, easy access is kept to the hatches that you have here just below. And when you're finally finished prepping your meal, look at that. A very spacious table that you can move back and forth to actually enjoy your meal. The space that we have here behind the driver and passenger seats is dedicated to either storage or likely to water tanks and water supply. You can fit up to 70 liters in this configuration. There is a refill hole right there. And behind, in this case, the driver's side, there is a MOLLE panel, which it's very useful for quick grabs and anything you need to take also from outside of the vehicle. Opposite of me, it's the space dedicated to the electrical, fits a very large battery and everything you need to power this rig. Oh, one more thing I want to show you. And look at this, whether you have guests or you want to move downstairs in case of need, there is one additional panel hiding below one of the drawers, which together with the Lagun table creates additional space to accommodate 2 people. Well, now it's time to go and enjoy this rig. But if you have questions, you can drop us an email or visit tailgategear.eu. You can also come to our workshop. Pizza is always on us. See ya!